Hello, friends. How are you doing? This is Sarup once again from Stock Show Group. Now, yesterday I mentioned in my last video that Nifty would face huge resistance in crossing 9,325, and that's the level. Now, if I also mentioned that if Nifty crosses above 9325, then it will be heading for a good move. Now, before I start explaining, friends, I would request everybody to share and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I post my videos, it reaches you instantly and my number of subscribers also increase. I need this favor in lieu of this free video. And there are a lot of concepts which I will be discussing here. Now, this is a naked chart which I have been using, and you can see any chart in any YouTube video, if you look at it, is full of indicators, and I don't believe in indicators. I always believe that make your chart very simple. You should study the naked chart, and only with the help of one or two things you should be able to crack the market secret. And that's what I am trying to do. That's the reason even a 10-year-old child can take a call wherever he is, because these are all available in your mobile apps, so you can take a trade anytime at your choice. And this also will give you freedom to really financial freedom to combat with the current situation. Now let's start off. How should we start off our day? That we should first look at previous day, how it behaved. And today we will also look at other concepts of few important candlestick patterns. Now, yesterday when we saw, we actually drew the immediate Nifty resistances. So these are the immediate hurdles that Nifty can face, and that's the reason this is the level 9350. The 9350 level, 9325 level was a key. And how did we do it? I will come to that. We have also I also mentioned in my last video that Nifty is actually facing a stiff island gap. Island is water. If you do not know what is island gap, please refer to my previous video. So when there is an island gap in any stock, it faces steep resistance or steep support. So therefore, whenever there is the island gap the stock comes out, whether there will be a surely breakout, or it is a breakdown. So island gap is very, very, very critical for that particular stock. So the Nifty island gap was at 9325. Today, if you look at this, Nifty has actually faced a resistance in this support zone, in the resistance zone. And in fact, if you look at resistance, you had one resistance, 2, 3, 4. So many resistance it is not able to cross and struggle for survival. Either Nifty can go to sideways. The chances of going sideways is very minimal. Either in an island gap, normally stock behaves like, it either breaks out and then go for a good move, or if it breaks down, it gives you a breakdown rally. So with this preamble in our mind, today today's Nifty, even you are seeing a very small doji candle, and this doji candle, normally people try to avoid do any trading. But what we said, our setup is such that such a powerful setup you can do even intraday trading without any significant risk, and you can make money. How? Now on the start, we have seen again, as usual, Nifty has a gap up opening. So it is at 1525 yesterday, it is closed here, and it has Nifty has opened here. So it's a big gap gap up opening. So we did nothing. We, as per our rule, we said we will not do any gap trading. So you are waiting. Once you started waiting, what also we did, or you should do, that once there is a gap up or gap down, if we are not trading, we should at least draw the support resistance line. So once we reach here, once we reach here at 9:30, then it has started consolidation. Still we did not have any entry here. So up to this level again we reached. We had no entry here, but then stock has actually moved up. So we also moving, adjusting our Fibonacci level. So once we start doing this, the stock goes sideways. We did not have any entry whatsoever. This could have been an entry, but not as per our setup. Not as per our setup. Why? I will explain it in a while. See, this is our invalid cross. Why invalid cross? Because all that lines did not cross together. The blue line is lower, and you have a gap here. That is not permissible. So therefore, that's the reason this crossover failed, and then it started again making some consolidation. No trade. So once we reach, throughout the day we did not get a trade, excepting at 1 o'clock, 1:30, we got this particular trade. We got a short opportunity here. Why it is a short opportunity, I will explain. Now at this point, all our three conditions are fulfilled. Number one, that all the three lines should be crossing together. Then the red, black and blue formation will be like this. The blue and black line can merge, and red line should be above this, and we should have a candle which actually confirms that the short is really triggered. If you look at this particular candle, which I did not explain earlier, that this candle is an open high low, open high same, and the candle pattern which has open equal to if you look at the open price here and high price here, and if I bring the cursor here, you will see the open high is almost same, 9350.85, 9351.85. So 1 rupee in a Nifty is almost equivalent to open high candle. And at the right place, if you get this open high candle, right place means at the crossover, this is a bingo trade, and and Nifty swiftly move from 9350 to the low of this. In fact, Nifty has gone down to a low of 9289. So our short was at 9350, and we actually got out of the trade here at this level at 9389, more than 125 points, meaning it is more than 8000 rupees. So one trade swiftly from 130 to, let's say, 245, that means within 1 hour you made 8000 rupees and ran away. And the setup is a perfect setup, which really tells you that you should be patient, wait for the opportune moment like a tiger for hunting his prey. Now let us look at other stocks. Let's say today we always talk about this pharma stocks. This is very bullish, COVID-19, so they will be doing good and blah blah blah. So since we do not listen to any news, any noise, we only believe in candlesticks and our setup. So let us see how it did. So similarly, what we should do, we should first see Biocon how the setup is. This is clearly a strong trend. We don't have to tell anything. Any child can say this is a strong trend, but your views should be very cautious, because we are seeing a lot of 1 2 3 4 5 4 candles are actually having lot of resistance at top, and resistance at top is a signal that the stock will for some time would come down. So that's the reason we have gone to this market. This is today's data, forget this. Now up to this candle, that is 24th candle, with our view was it's a uptrend market. Biocon is bullish, but I should be very very cautious with Biocon because it is facing a lot of resistance. Okay, so with this view in mind, I have gone to the gone to the market today, and let us see how it goes. Now this is 27th, right? 27th April at 9:15. What we have seen? 27th April at 9:15. Again, as usual, we are seeing a big gap up opening. Where is the gap up opening? If you look at this opening, our closing was 24th and 27th. Sorry, yeah, this is 27th. So okay, so there is a huge gap up opening. This is the candle which actually is our first candle, and this was it. This was the last candle of previous day. So there is a gap up, clear gap up, which is visible. If you look at this, now I am making this view little bit clear so that you can easily have a look at this. Now once you have this gap up candle, you did not have an opportunity to trade. So what you would have done immediately on the next candle at 9:20, there is a huge volatility here. So what you would have done, you draw a support and resistance. What you would have done, since the stock is in uptrend, so you have drawn support and resistance lines and just leave it and let the stock play. You see the support and resistance working so magically. Stock gone up, come down, gone up, come down. Stock has been hitting so many resistance, and also we did not get our valid setup, so we did not trade. So the stock is going up, and we are also waiting patiently. And then at this particular candle, we got a short entry. Why? Because at this level, if you look at, all our three conditions are met. Lines are merging, crossing together, red, blue, black combination, and there is a doji pattern. We don't look at volume. Don't look at other things. You can always look at it. Volume has separate inferences. You should know how to tackle volume. But I am telling you in a way, a 10-year-old child will understand. So once we have our setup, we shorted at Biocon 361 at 361, and then in 5, 10, 15 minutes and 20 minutes at 11:20, we entered our trade at 11:05, and end 11:20 it is down by 4 rupees, and Biocon stock 2300 lot, 4 rupees is how much? 2300 into 4, that is 9200 rupees we have pocketed. Now okay, once we have this trade here, and we also know that there is a support level, so we left the trade, and again waiting for our opportunity to hit. So again that opportunity came. Once we have this buying opportunity, that is the Biocon has gone back to its own support level. This is where at 361 previously we sold, and at 361 now we are buying. It's a crossover, red black blue combination. It straightway went up to 366.55. so you have bought at 361 and 366 again. 361 to 366 means what? How much money? Can you imagine? 5 rupees, again 10,000, 11,000 rupees, 11,500. So 11,500 plus this 8,000, 19, 20,000 already you have pocketed, and you have left where you have left the trade. You have left the trade in this candle, and then again you are waiting, and again you got the opportunity moment here, because the stock has come down to 40 at 255, 3 o'clock. The again you got an opportunity to sell. Look at this stock, 3 crossover, all are up, price is below 20. So there, and this is the open equal to high candle. If you look at this price level, open equal to high candle 364.2, and yeah, sorry, 364.65 and 364.70, almost open equal to high candle. So you got the right candle and you are in the stocks. But since we are into intraday, we prefer to wrap it up for the next day. We don't carry. So these are the opportune moments without taking any headache whatsoever. If you know these 3 lines properly and how to apply it, you'll be getting more than what you earn from your normal business or learn from salary income. This is such a easy stuff. It's only mindset and discipline which makes money for you. Now let's look at another stock. Let's say IOC. I am taking different sectors so that you understand the effectiveness of this. Now in IOC, it is a clear downtrend. I don't have to tell anything. And in the clear downtrend, what will you do? It is trying to go for an uptrend, but your major trend is down. So therefore, we will go by major trend that the stock might come down. And also we are seeing that there is a support here. Okay. So with that in mind, probably either if support holds, then we will see. And what is the support normal resistance here at 85, 86 rupees. Okay. With this view in mind, we have gone for trading today, and let's see how IOC did. IOC. This is Indian Oil Corporation. Let's see how the stock. How is the stock? So we'll go at okay. This is 27th today's, and you see a huge gap up opening. Huge gap up opening means we have not got an opportunity here, right? Where we have got the opportunity? We got the opportunity to trade here at this level. I bought IOC here. Although see, we are doing a contra trade. We knew that the stock might go up or might not go up. So see, this is now is this a right setup? This is for me this is an invalid trade. Why it is an invalid trade? See, first of all, it has gap up. It has a gap up opening, but then all these 3 candles have crossed over, but the black is below. So therefore, this is not a valid setup for me. Invalid cross. So I would avoid. I will not be greedy, because I think IOC is how much is lot size? I think it is 4,000, and with 4,000 lot size, it's no joke. 4,000 each rupee you lose 4,000 rupees, or you can trade in options. So I am leaving it here. So once you miss this trade, what you have done in the morning, that you have actually drawn that support resistance level. From first candle you got the high, then it is broken. So therefore I will also extend it here, so that I get the dynamic support and resistance, and the line will be automatically drawn here. And I am looking for my opportune moment to buy or sell. But since the stock majorly in downtrend, so therefore I will look for downtrend. That's the logic. So these are all sideways. I don't have to do anything. It has actually given only one chance here at 12:20, at 130, 120. You got a very good trade. So I actually saved this template. So it's not system generated. It's actually Actually is not system generated. So when IOC, again 3 candles cross together, red, black and blue, these are the 3 lines combinations, and this is a big candle. So it confirms, and now you can look at the volume. It's a huge volume, so therefore that actually adds additional confidence to your trade. Although you cannot, you don't have to see anything, volume indicator, nothing. You only follow your rules, because you are not chasing your profit, you are chasing your process. The process says these 3 lines should be formation of like this, like in a fighter jet. In a war, it goes for certain formation to fight the war. So I want the right formation, and once this formation happens, your stop loss is only above the green candle, above 1 rupees, and you got such a beautiful trade that you sold it here, let's say at 82.40, and then the stock has reached up to here, and throughout this it is maintaining, and even today the trade you can continue. But at this level, at 81.55, you shorted at 82. So therefore you have got almost 4,000 rupees here, 3,500 to 4,000 rupees of a single trade. And how much? When you have entered at 120 and you exited the trade, maybe at this level. So therefore within 1 hour you have earned for 4,000 rupees, 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. Actually, friends, this is the power of indicator, power of actual technical knowledge. Because if you know the technicals, if you don't have to listen to any noise, any channel, any tip provider. No, you are independent. If you understand this, you can sitting at home with a mobile and laptop or whatever or device that you have, and if you have a demat account with a small capital, you can actually add up. It is such a beautiful thing to do. So most of the guys either having half knowledge or no knowledge or wrong knowledge, and that is where the trade fail. It is not a gambling, it's a pure science, and if you can love this process will rain you with money. With this note, I am signing off today, friends. Again, I will be coming back with a bit new formation. Like today, I have discussed how the open equal to high candle will be helpful and will be very very significant for a short trade. So before I sign off, my request to you is to subscribe my channel and write in the comment section and give a like button, so that my channel also grows, and I will be able to help you out with some other very good reliable technique. And by profession, I am a chartered accountant, so trust that these technicals are really very very sound. Thank you very much. See you again.